All right, guys, welcome to a new video. Today we're working on the Galant VR4 RS. We got some pieces we're going to be installing. Stay tuned to check it out. Okay, as you can see, Japanese post. Got some interesting stuff in the mail. I'll open that up now. It's the first time I've seen it, by the way, so I'm opening it for the first time. Got something in from Japan. Pretty rare piece. Thought I'd give you guys a show. I got another piece coming in too that haven't arrived yet, and you'll see that later in the video. But first time I've opened it. Bubble wrap. Okay, so what we've got is a Momo steering wheel in the original box. Now, let's see it for the first time. This is new old stock, apparently. All the way from Japan. Oof. Oh wow, that is nice. What do you guys think? Original Momo steering wheel, leather. It's got the Mitsubishi logo in the middle there, so this is an original Momo steering wheel for a Mitsubishi model. Wow, it is brand new, isn't it? That's a really nice piece. Got that, and I got another piece in here, which is pretty rare too. So I've never seen this steering wheel before. If anybody else has seen it, let me know. But I've never seen this steering wheel before, so I had to have it. And it's got a little color combination here that I'm kind of liking. And I went ahead and picked up something else while I was in Japan. While I was ordering from Japan. I got here, which is another extremely rare item. A new NOS Rally Art Mitsubishi wooden steering wheel, shift knob, excuse me. Now, these are very rare also, Rally Art, in which it matches the steering wheel with the red color and the orange, and obviously the wood grain. So this is a new combination I'll be running every now and then on the Galant VR4. So I'm really excited about this. It's a pretty cool piece. It's very nice. The wood is immaculate. Doesn't look anything wrong with it at all. This will go along well with my collection. I've got a few other steering wheels that I'm collecting. Some wooden rare steering wheels. So this will go along really well with my collection and with my shift knob collection. And I see something else in here. Give these guys a shout out. I told them to send me some stuff, and yeah, they did. Sent me a nice sticker. Sigma Speed. So this is I think you say it, Sigma Speed. This is a company in Japan that sell only Mitsubishi stuff. Check them out on Instagram. That's where I follow them, and that's where I found this steering wheel and the shift knob. So yeah, check them out. That's a sticker they sent me. Pretty cool. They got some pretty cool cars that they do over there. One day when we visit Japan, I will be going to their shop and hopefully picking up some items and bringing it back with me. Anyway, stay tuned for the next rare item coming up, and should be right after this video. Thanks, guys. All right, I'm gonna hang my new steering wheel on the wall. I got a few. This is an old Momo one. This is another Mitsubishi one that I have here, but I'm hanging on the wall now until I can put it in the RS. Right now, I'll just hang out there. That's cool. I like that. Cool. All right, guys, welcome back. This is part 2 of the rare pieces for the Galant VR4. So this what's in here. I've been waiting a long time to get one, to be honest, and just didn't have the capability of buying it. I guess you would say that's what most people say. And a guy on the forums. Long time guy on the forums messaged me, or I saw him post it that he had one, so I jumped on it and paid a little bit more than I really wanted to spend, but I'm never gonna get rid of it, so I'm gonna put it on the car. So It's quite rare, so let's get to opening it and show you what's in the box. Now, this box did not come from Japan. This one came from America. If I can get in it, it looks like it's tasted pretty well here. So yeah, this one came from America. Oh, that's really tight. Maybe I won't be getting in it anytime soon. Maybe I need to go in a different way. Let's try this side. I'll put fragile stickers on it because it is fragile. Okay, here we go. I'm in it now. There should be lots of bubble wrap, I would imagine. Ooh, bubble wrap. All right. Any guesses? Any guesses? Maybe not. Maybe. Now, this is the first time I've seen one in person. I've seen obviously lots of photos of it, and I've researched it trying to find them. Every now and then I go on Yahoo auctions or eBay or the groups and looking for people to post them, you know, and just to see if I can get it. And when I'll say his name, when Juan posted it, I jumped on it. I told him, if you're ever going to sell that, I'm your first man. And he told me he would, and he decided to sell it. So here it is. It is wrapped well because it's quite rare. So we'll get into it here. Tape. And a little excited. Definitely well taped. Alright, let's see. Getting close. Starting to see pieces of it. What I'll do is it's gonna open up now, so I'll get it in the right angle. Wow, it looks really cool. I'll get it in the right angle and then I'll show you guys. Ready? Can you see it through there? No, you can't. Are you ready? There she is. So this is an EDM, which is European domestic market, headlight or grill, plastic grill insert that goes within the headlights in the front of the car. Really looks like it's in tip-top condition. It is used, it's not brand new. But so this is made by a company in the UK, because it says, actually, if you can see that, it says England on the housing there, on the light housing. It's made by a company called Autoplay. Autoplay. Anyway, so it was in America. Well, it started out in England. Then it went to America, I would imagine, or somewhere else, and then wherever it came from. And now it's back in England with me. So it's back home, I guess you could say. So, yeah, I'm going to install this. This is going to go on the VR4 RS. It is in really good shape. You can see it's plastic. It flexes. And, yeah, so I'm going to put that in there. That's beautiful. That's a really nice piece. It's going to look really good on the car. So, yeah, so the next shot, you'll see it installed. So it'll flash through next week, and then you can have it installed because it's raining here, so I won't be installing it for a couple weeks, but you'll see it. The power of the YouTube, I guess. All right, let's see it installed on the car. Okay, I just finished the install of these, so that's the difference. I'll post a before and after photo of the stock grill compared to the new grill. Yeah, it's pretty basic install, pretty easy to wire in. I had to make some shims for the lower part of the grill here because it didn't have the way it mounts is there's a big gap. So the top one bolts into factory holes, but the bottom ones that hold it in the bottom, it's about that far away. And lucky I had some spacers that I had for when I installed these license plate in my garage, or license plate clocks. I got one from California and I got one from Florida. If you see behind there, they've got some spacers in them. So I use those spacers there to use in the car with some nice black hardware. Try to tighten it away. And I've got it wired in, well, the door's locked, but I've got it wired in to a factory switch, which I use for the fog light, so rear fog light, because in the UK you have to have a rear fog light. So I went ahead and wired it into the factory switch, which is here. That's the factory switch there. So it when you turn on the lights here, I'll go ahead and turn them on. It actually illuminates. I don't know if you can see that or not. Let's see. Sorry about all the movement. You can, I guess you can't see it, but yeah, it does illuminate. So that illuminates that switch there, and that basically turns them on. So I got a factory switch. Stock in the RS, there was nothing there. It was a dummy. So I went ahead and swapped it out, found a factory switch, and put that in. That was for my rear fog light, because in the UK you have to have a fog light, but I've disconnected that now. So it's wired into a factory switch, which is really nice. So yeah, I'll show it to you on now, and see what you guys think. It's quite a lot of lights in the front of the car now. So let's turn them on. So this now is just going to be with the new lights and the factory fogs and the city lights. So the city lights are these here in the JDM car. They call them city lights. So these are the new fogs, and I got the factory fogs in there. And then I've also got, I showed you this earlier in the video, so I've also got that, which kind of clashes. So I probably won't have, I only have that on by itself. I won't have that on with all the lights because it's too much, I think. So that will just be on for like car shows and stuff like that. And if I go into, because there's a night car shows that they do over here at Caffeine and Machines, which is basically a pretty cool place where all the, like a car guy's restaurant slash hotel, just, yeah, 250, 300 cars turn up there out of nowhere, and it's opened up all day. There's a video on here if you want to see it. Just look through my old videos. There's a where we visited Caffeine and Machines. Beautiful place. Anyway, so yeah, that will just be for shows, and that's them there. So, and then I'll show you another video of them installed. So, I'll show you another picture, excuse me, of with the headlights on, so you can see the differences. So that's with the headlights on now. And then if you turn on the high beam, which I'll turn on now, if you turn on the high beam, you've got all kinds of lights. So you got the two headlights, but see how I was saying it was kind of clashes with the colors. So I think if I put some yellow ones in there, that might change it up. So that video will be up. You'll see that in 2 seconds. I'm gonna swap them out when I get them, and then you'll see it now. Thanks, guys. All right, so I got the yellow bulbs in. They're actually called plasma gold. They didn't have the bright yellow I got in my Delica. They didn't have those in the fog light. So I picked up these. They're definitely a goldish color. Kind of like them. I don't know. Might swap them out maybe later when when the super yellow come back into stock. But yeah, that's it now. So we're done with those. And I'll pop the hood and show you behind the grill so you can get an idea of what it looks like. You can just about see through it. There you go, that's the air in. And it's got the gaps underneath there. Pretty cool. All right. That's it, man. I'm stoked. Really like it. All right, next step in this video is I'm doing the steering wheel. Putting the new one I got, you saw earlier in the video, the one from Japan. So I'm taking the Nardi off with got the custom Galant VR4 one here. Got guy on the forums. So taking the Nardi off now. It's just these bolts have already started, and then hopefully the new steering wheel will fit on the hub that I have. We'll find out. So let's get to moving the steering wheel. Let's get the new one on. That came off pretty simple. So yeah, this is a Nardi hub adapter. So I believe the Nardi is a different thread. Basically from point to point is different. I think it's just a tad bit smaller. So let's go and get the new steering wheel and I'll try it and see if it fits. Fingers crossed. All right, guys, steering wheel did not fit on that hub, so I've ordered a new hub. It's gonna be a couple weeks till I get that. But I'm just showing you some of the stickers that I sell. These are Japanese model ones that are exact same font and size as the original ones. If you're interested in the ones you see, I offer more. So if you want to DM me or get in contact with me and help support the channel. Thanks for watching to the end. Appreciate it, guys.